Okay, I've introduced this new water feature. Now the reason behind it is the water I had in before was stagnant, quite frankly smelly and dirty, and that's not good enough. So I decided I'm going to get a water feature in there and give them fresh water. So as you can see, the water runs from there, goes down, goes in there, then comes down into here, and then from there goes down to a fish tank, which I'm not using, but it's got a nice pump in it, full of water, nice fresh water, and goes back up and back in there again. I have a little bit of tweaking to go, and just got to check whether there's any. I've got a little bit of a water leak, just got to sort out a few little bits, but yes, they can drink fresh water for longer. Happy birds.